the chemical changes, we should know that what are chemical properties. So chemical properties are the characteristics of a substance that describes its chemical nature. It means if any substance is given to you, then earlier we have seen that what are physical properties, the shape, size, color, volume are the physical properties. But here the chemical nature, it means how the substance will react with the another substance, what is its toxicity. Clear? Now a chemical change or a chemical reaction is any change in the chemical property of a substance. Now here when the substance is allowed to react, at that moment here the changes will come in the its chemical properties. Whenever a substance undergo a chemical change, a new substance is formed. So in physical properties we have learned that no new substance was formed, but here in the chemical change a new substance will form at the end of the reaction. So let's see some of the examples. First example is given. Rusting of iron occur when iron gets in contact with the moisture, or we can say with the water. So we know that if a open iron is kept into the open atmosphere, at that moment the rusting of iron will take place. Now this rusting of iron we shall be learning in the part 3 in detail. Next is another example. When magnesium ribbon is burned, it radiates light and it's converted into ash. Clear? A magnesium ribbon is a completely ribbon like structure. When it was allowed to burn, now it is burning in the presence of oxygen. Clear? That's why oxygen is written here. Now the magnesium ribbon, on combining with the oxygen, it will form a ash, and that ash is containing a chemical compound which is called a magnesium oxide, MgO. Now if we dissolve this magnesium oxide in the water, what it will form? Here magnesium oxide plus water, it will form magnesium hydroxide, and this magnesium hydroxide is basic in nature. Now to know about its basic nature, we can use the litmus test also. Another example is the formation of medicine. We know that medicines are the chemicals only. So here also the chemical changes are taking place when the formation of medicines takes place. Next is the extraction of iron from the iron ore. Now iron ore is the raw material of iron. So whenever we get a raw material of iron, from that raw material we have to prepare a pure iron. So here also we are using the chemical properties in order to obtain the pure iron. Another example, formation of a plastic. We all know very well that plastic is a chemical. So wherever the formation or the degradation of plastic is taking place, at that moment there is a change in the chemical property of that substance. Another example which is given in your textbook is that color change of the copper sulfate solution due to the reaction with the iron. Now here what we have done, first in the first beaker we have taken the copper sulfate solution. In this copper sulfate solution, iron nail has been kept. After some time what will happen? There will be reaction between the iron nail and the copper sulfate. Now the process of replacement will take place. It means the iron, that is Fe, will replace this Cu. So FeSO4 solution will be formed, and this FeSO4 solution, that is iron sulfate solution, is green in color. That's why we will see that the color of the copper sulfate solution has been changed to green, and the copper which is left will be deposited on this iron nail. So here it is written copper deposit on the iron nail. The equation is given over here. Copper sulfate solution which was of blue color, it was allowed to react with the iron. Later what is formed? Iron sulfate solution is formed which is of green color, plus copper is formed, and this copper is found in the brown deposit on the iron nail. Another example which is given in your textbook is, if we allow the vinegar, that is acetic acid, or we can say the lemon, to react with the baking soda. Now we know that a vinegar or a lemon or a acetic acid is acidic in nature, while the baking soda is basic in nature. When these both are allowed to react, they will form the carbon dioxide, including other substances will also form. Clear? So these are the examples which are showing that chemical changes are taking place. Another example is that if we react the carbon dioxide with the lime water. Clear? The lime water's formula is CaOH twice. At that moment what will form? Calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3 plus water. Now as soon as this CaCO3 will form, the color of the lime water will change to milky white. It means earlier the color of the lime water will be colorless, and as soon as this calcium carbonate will form, the color of the solution will become milky white. Clear? So these are some of the examples which are showing that how the chemical changes are taking place. Now a chemical change is always accomplished by any one of the following or all of the following changes. So wherever the chemical changes are taking place, so this all things will occur over there. That is radiation or absorption of heat. It means that substance will radiate heat or it will absorb heat. Next is production of sound. Wherever the production of sound has been taken place due to the chemical changes, so we can say that this is also a way to show that chemical change has taken place. Next is change in the color of the substance. We have seen earlier that copper sulfate solution's color has been changed. Next is change in the smell of the substance. It means in our home also we have seen that wherever the rotting is taking place, और we can say that कोई भी चीज़ अगर सड़ रही होती है तो उसमें से अलग तरीके की स्मेल आती है. It means there has been taken place a chemical change. Next is the formation of a gas. Clear? And last example is the formation of solid as a residue. So these are some of the properties which will show us that here the chemical changes has been taken place. Now some of the examples are more given. Iron rusting, burning of wood is also a chemical change. Then metabolism in our body, cooking of an egg. It means now egg was earlier in the liquid state, we have cooked it and we have got a solid form of a egg. Then baking of a cake. In the cake also we are using the baking soda, so it will, as soon as it will heat it up, so changes will take place. Then electroplating is little bit a tough process that we will learn in our higher classes. Then rotting of banana, we have seen that banana become rotted, so here also the chemical changes are taking place. Vinegar and baking soda mixture, over here the carbon dioxide gas will be released. Then firecrackers, and last example is that chemical battery, that whenever we are using a battery, so after some time it become, we say that cell khatam ho gaye in the sense the chemical which was stored in the cell has been finished because it has been used and